Good morning, YouTube. How's everyone doing? Today is P.O. Box Check Day. And I'm going to do a little bit of plugging too. Anyone want to help out on the channel? We've started this, I think, when BB did her DoorDash. People were asking for stuff to purchase. We had some decals. I think like 5 people bought decals. Then we wound it up ending giving the decals away when we were getting Christmas cards. But we figure we try it again. So if anyone wants to purchase a decal, they're $1 a decal. Just send it to our P.O. Box 742 in Kathleen. The zip code will be in the description. I can't remember what it is. All right, dudes, it's green. Let's go. Other than that, Katrina said she had sent a package. Should be here today. We're gonna go check it out, pick it up, see what it's about. And then while we're in the post office as well, another person that sends us packages as well and is a contributor member, we're gonna send them a package as well in return. So hopefully she'll like it. Nice little surprise, a nice thank you for people that send us stuff. You send us a postcard or something, we send you a card always thanking you. You guys send us stuff in the mail like Katrina. We go back and forth sending each other stuff. And then we have again someone else that's been sending us stuff, and I want it to be a surprise. So she is gonna go get it. Beautiful weather, cool in the morning. BB's out doing her insurance stuff, and let's just have a nice day, guys. And I thank everyone that watches us. And again, if you're interested, they are only $1 a piece. Heck, I am gonna put the stamp on it and not charge you for the stamp. So if you want to get some BB decals to help out the channel, it only costs $1. Yep, everyone wants to speed until they see those flashing lights. The old saying is, 1 cop's a ticket, 2 cops. Possible bad things are gonna happen. 3 cops. Well, you know where you're going to. But this road here, 45, a lot of cops, they don't play around. The sheriffs definitely patrol this area here. But there's our little post office, Kathleen. Let's see what it entails. And guys, don't be scared to send anything. You could send holiday cards, postcards, it does not matter. We do not put nobody's address out there. And if you don't want people to know you send us something, you just put it there, keep it between us. But usually we make a video just to show we appreciate you guys. And again, you'll be seeing this in a couple of videos. We'll be doing this for a little bit. $1 a decal. And hopefully this package won't take a month like Katrina's package took a month to get to her. Literally a month to mail some chicken noodle soup. So That's it right there. Let's see what we got. We got a key. 1186. That's a big one. There we go. Wow, $10 just to deliver that. Imagine what it's going to cost you. The packages have went up. I remember it was $8 and now it's $12 or $14 for that little one. And everything used to be under 20. Now you're looking at 34s for some big ones. And that's their pre-packaged boxes that they carry. Mail is going up, guys. So, person that's watching this video, you're going to be getting a package. Let me see when it says it will be there. It says it should be there by the 7th. We will see. Alright guys, gonna head back to the house, wait for BB, open up Katrina's package because she wants us to open it up and do a video on it. So let's go see what we got from Katrina. Alright BB, there it is from Katrina. Bighangnail.
Yep. Let's see what she said.
$10.95 to ship.
Jesus.
About as much as that cup of soup I sent her.
Right.
And postage went up.
Again?
The boxes, yeah.
Oh my lord.
See if you can read it out loud.
You always talk about the size of chip bags, so I thought I'd send you some chips, laughing out loud. Have a couple for a live, laughing out loud. That's why I was called some minis there.
What the hell? Look, that's a lair.
See, we got Fritos, we got little sun chips, pretzels. She sends us a nice variety. And she's right, these are little.
That's $10 to send.
Wow.
We could
I
have
haven't seen them this small though, have you?
No, I've never seen. That looks like airplane packages.
No, yeah, even airplane packages are bigger than this, but thank you, Katrina.
Son of a gun.
Oh, wow. I didn't think they could make them so tiny.
Which one is your favorite, guys? Let us know in the comments.
Cool.
Oh, we got the ranch.
Yeah.
Where the heck do you get something like that at?
No.
I'm serious.
These are the cheese balls. I used to love these.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Yeah, the Cheetos mini cheese. There's only
So we got
one.
5. She must have ate the other ones.
And then this is what? The
She don't-
Harvest Cheddar.
She don't like Doritos because it's more Doritos than the Cheetos.
Yeah, I've never seen them so small. These are cute, but probably expensive.
Well, but we got something to munch on.
Yeah, we do. Well, thank you, Katrina.
And thank you for anyone who sends anything.
Through the P.O. Box.
And don't forget, dollar stickers.
Yep.